Have you ever wondered just how prevalent elbow pain is, and how it can drastically impact daily life? Well, countless people worldwide experience elbow pain, with conditions like tennis elbow and golfer's elbow being among the most common culprits. The elbow is a complex joint, comprising of the humerus, radius and ulna, with the epicondyles playing a particularly important role. The functionality of this joint is a marvel, but it also leaves it susceptible to certain injuries. Tennis elbow, or lateral epicondylitis, and golfer's elbow, also known as medial epicondylitis, are two such conditions. They both occur due to overuse and strain, but they affect different parts of the elbow. Tennis elbow impacts the outside of the elbow, while golfer's elbow hits the inside. Various factors can contribute to the development of these conditions, from repetitive motions to sudden trauma. The symptoms can be debilitating, with severe pain and loss of strength being common complaints. Traditionally, treatments for these conditions have included icing, heating pads, steroid injections, and even surgery. However, these methods are not without their limitations and risks. Enter stem cell therapy, a promising alternative that leverages the body's own regenerative abilities to heal damaged tissue and reduce inflammation. This innovative treatment has shown significant advantages over conventional methods, with numerous research studies and patient testimonials attesting to its effectiveness. From the stories of individuals who have undergone stem cell therapy for their tennis or golfer's elbow, we hear tales of significant relief and improved quality of life. These narratives, coupled with expert insights from medical professionals specializing in regenerative medicine, paint a hopeful picture for the future of elbow pain management. In summary, while tennis elbow and golfer's elbow are common and can significantly impact daily life, innovative treatments like stem cell therapy offer new hope. It's important to remember, however, that individual health circumstances vary, and it's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. In the realm of regenerative medicine, the potential is vast and the future looks bright.